Hi, I'm John with Shapiro Metal Supply eBay store. This listing is for an Ammana commercial microwave. This microwave was just recently removed from a local convenience store and is in perfect working order. You can see it's very clean, all stainless steel. And this is a 220 unit. It's a commercial piece. And come around here, there's no dents, dings. Great working order. Down here, maximum output 1700 watts. So hopefully that tag there will answer any questions you might have. If not, give me a call and I'll find out what I can for you. And that's her. The Ammana commercial microwave. Say no dents, no dings. Just one pretty, good looking commercial microwave. If you got any questions, call me at 1-800-833-1259 and ask for John. Thank you. Have a great day and check out our other listings.